How to allow new members to see older messages in Telegram. So to allow new members to see older messages in a Telegram group, the group admin needs to change the chat history for new members setting to visible. So the settings can be found within the group's information under the manage group or edit. So here's a guide. So first thing is open your Telegram app and then go to the group that you want to show and add the new members on. And then get to the access group info. So tap on the group name at the top to access the group information. Then edit the group settings. So locate and tap the Edit or Manage Group option, which may be represented by three dots in the top right corner. Then find the chat history for new members. So scroll through the settings until you find the option labeled Chat History for New Members. Then change it to Visible. Select Visible from the options, and this will allow the new members to see all the previous messages in a group. And then lastly, you want to save the changes, so confirm the changes by tapping Done or Save. And by following these steps, new members joining your Telegram group will be able to see all the previous messages, fostering a more inclusive and informative environment. And that's how you can allow new members to see all their messages in Telegram.